the main focus for the industry now is to understand how the intermediary community reacts to RDR in terms of how they service their existing clients going forwards. I think quite a lot of attention so far has been on the more wealthier clients, and IFAs certainly are designing solutions to meet their needs. So the big implication for RDR is that the IFAs have to offer ongoing service to their clients. So invariably they'll charge an upfront fee for advice, but then an ongoing fee. And quite a lot of the attention there is on providing a platform solution and really kind of working with clients to manage their investments. I think the bigger problem that IFAs face is how they're going to manage their less wealthy clients, those with less assets under management, in the same manner. And I think providers really need to focus on how they can help the IFA community and the restricted advisors as well, because obviously it's not just IFAs anymore, to meet those needs. One of the big issues over the last 10-15 years has been that an IFA's client is very much the IFA's clients, and the providers don't have direct interaction with those clients. I think possibly that's an area that may need to change as providers work with the intermediaries to find solutions for possibly clients who are unwilling or unable to pay for the advice that is required now under RDR. A couple of years ago, when RDR was first discussed, many commentators thought that the banks would actually benefit. But what we've seen over the last 6 to 12 months is a number of banks actually withdrawing from the advice market. So there is a gap to be filled. I suppose really it's whether providers feel there is a kind of commercial opportunity there to actually fill those shoes. I think 2013 we've started quite slowly. Quite a lot of the IFAs that we've spoken to are still kind of working through the work that they placed at the end of 2012, which was very much commission based. But I think now they are really focusing on the future, and what we will see is possibly business as usual for most of them. But as they start to interact more with their clients, they will start to be challenged in terms of what they can provide to the client base. I think we'll see a lot more innovation taking place. My prediction is possibly that the status quo will change, whereas the last decade or so, we've seen that certainly the IFAs really kind of hold on to their clients and avoid having contact. The clients having contact with providers. What we'll see going forwards is probably for the more mass market clients, some kind of sharing of responsibility. IFAs may well offer advice, but probably the execution may be carried out by the provider. We've yet to see how that's going to work, but certainly I think that's where most of the innovation will take place, certainly for the mass market and probably mass affluent client base.